shotgun and in my non-stop purple. So far, baby. So what?
Join us in worship and prayer this holiday season and give thanks for the year in Marquimol, Simbang Gabi.
Okay, bago ako magsimula ng gagawin natin ngayon, pinuputol ko yung barrier ng performer at audience. Ngayong gabi magtotropa lang tayo dito.
We've been down that road before, but it's over now. We're in heaven. Your love is all that I need, and I find your home. It can't be long.
Ako din may nasulat akong song para to sa lahat ng taong nagmamahal sa isang tao na kahit ano yung gawin niya, kahit humuhulas, ang ganda. Tama daw, pag mahal niyo yung tao kahit humuhulas, ang ganda-ganda, tama?
You're the thunder on my How they travel from the heaven. Did you think you would not fall in so far, baby. Ganda mo yung tila tapit hapong dagat ang katabi.
Isang song kung paano magturo magmahal ng tao to a point na hindi na kailangan bumaba ni God para patunayan tunay siya dahil nakita mo ito sa mukha niya.
Shotgun and in my non-stop purple. Help clock whiskey in that teapot. Ethanol burning like a 90 bright heavenly body. Only music can define you and it sounds like. Ikaw ang minsan sa mga palagi, ang may tuluhin sa'yo na ay. And surely you don't need no makeup, brown eye chick, no sign you sin. Pretty lady, big band doesn't make sense. I see God in your face, you my.
Shoutout nga pala sa girlfriend ko kay Maisie. Si Maisie mo. Love you more. Makakahanap ka ng Dionela mo. Promise, promise.
Kung dumating ang araw ko, di na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking mukha. Mahal kang mag-alala, tanda naman ang puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta. Iwaga mo man alam ko ano, ikaw aking musika. Bukas na ng tingin
po sa lahat ng nagpunta.
It's not a fire, it's a burning. Like my face, I'm living life the day I met you. Hate to think that you must have to buy someday 1,000 years more. At sa pagdating ng huling araw, huwag mag-alala. Naramdamay habang buhay, maghaman siya. That will never take a breath until love.